Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bluehost website builder. First, log into your Bluehost account and navigate to the website builder section. This powerful tool offers a drag-and-drop interface, making website creation accessible for everyone, regardless of technical skill. You can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, providing a strong foundation for your unique online presence. Getting started is straightforward, allowing you to quickly begin building your dream website in just a few clicks. Once inside the builder, you can begin personalizing your website. The design tools allow you to customize every aspect, from selecting unique fonts and color palettes to uploading your own background images. You can effortlessly add and rearrange different sections, such as contact forms, image galleries, or testimonials, to fit your specific needs. A key feature is the responsive design capability, ensuring your website automatically adjusts and looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones alike. Adding compelling content is simple and intuitive. You can easily integrate text, upload high-quality images, and embed engaging videos to make your pages dynamic and informative. For those looking to sell online, the builder includes robust e-commerce functionalities, allowing you to set up an online store, manage product listings, and process secure payments. Furthermore, connecting your social media profiles is straightforward, helping you expand your audience and drive more traffic to your new website. Before going live, it is crucial to thoroughly preview your entire website to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended. Once you are completely satisfied with your design and content, publishing your site is as simple as clicking one button. Bluehost also provides valuable tools for monitoring your website's performance, including analytics that track visitor engagement and traffic. This helps you understand your audience better and make informed decisions for future improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.